today, this is part 3 of the Underground War. Now, so we're gonna play this. This is part 3, and we're gonna be playing some other games. And matter of fact, it's actually in my bookmark. So if I go ahead and check that, um, but it's called the largest hole. So here it is. So we're gonna be playing this game probably like tomorrow or the next day. It's called the largest hole in Roblox. So you guys might know this game, but we're gonna be playing this tomorrow of the largest hole in Roblox. So yeah, you get like the description. I will read that like tomorrow. So yeah, we're gonna be playing the largest hole and which is actually pretty good. So let's do this. All right. So this is gonna be part 3. All right. So we're gonna load in. All right. So this game is actually kind of weird, but we're just gonna load in it. So here we go. So it's gonna say starting Roblox. Well, I'm starting Roblox right now. Yeah, so we're in the game. So as you guys can see, we're in the game. So yeah, so yeah, let's see what's actually happening right now in this game. So yeah, here we go. The Underground War. All right. So yeah. So what the heck is actually happening, guys? All right. It seems like everybody's down at the bottom. Oh, I'm blue team, you guys. I think I moved right now because I don't know why, but yeah, I just like wish to be in blue team because blue team is actually like fun. So yeah, I just want to be in blue team because so like you can kill all red team and everything and actually. So yeah, so we got the let's see the old Roblox flag here. So that's pretty cool. We get the like blue flag here, which is pretty cool. Alright, so let's see what's actually happening in this game. So I can't believe that I'm in blue team right now. This is so crazy, you guys. Alright, and I think it just freezed right now. Go check. Yeah, I think it just freezed. Yeah, it freeze. So yeah, so we're just gonna have to like wait because it just like freezed right now. So yeah, all right, there we go. All right. So why is my screen like, bro, red team, why'd you do that? All right. So bro, why did freaking red team freaking did that? That was like so weird. All right. So, alright, let's see what's actually happening. Bro, what the heck? What the heck, you guys? Alright, we have to kill red team. I don't know why red team did that. Like, that was, like, so freaking crazy. Like, red, why would you do that? Like, blue team is always, like, winning. So, yeah. I think the only one is in red team if I just go check. 1, 2, 3, 4 of red. So yeah, so we only got like a few reds in this team actually, which is pretty good. So no, 4 reds. So on the red team. So bro, why does this girl have like this like little thing that's like kind of weird? Like the fire thing. I don't know how you get that. Red team has captured blue team flag. Bruh. So y'all telling me that red team has stole our flag right now or something? I don't know. Bro, what the oh shoot. Oh girl. Slow down. Do not kill me. Oh my gosh, you guys. They freaking kill me, you guys. This is crazy. These girls is trying to kill me right now. This is so crazy. We need to kill red team. Like they're like so strong to survive right now. This is crazy. Alright. So I need my I need this and what's wrong? What's from the word the words wrong? Blake does. What the heck? Alright, so I don't know what these guys are chatting here. This is crazy. Alright, we need to kill Rick. No! Don't think about yourself. Get me back again. Don't think about it. Don't think about it. Don't think about it. Do not kill me, bro. And they just killed me. This is so weird. Yeah. So I don't know what's actually happening. Yeah, so we need to kill like red team. Like they're trying to like kill us like right now. So I'd rather like stay up here because so nobody kills me. Cause I don't want nobody killing me unless they get up here, which is pretty kind of weird. But yeah, I want to stay up here. This team is actually killing me right now, and like I'm like so weird. But yeah, I really want to buy these so I can kill everybody with these. Like I want to get like yellow, blues, all of this. You get the dodge things in the emojis. What the heck? So and then we have strawberries and what? All right, and then we have red fire. I actually want to get that. Actually, hopefully it doesn't like cost much. Yeah, it costs some Robux, so I wouldn't get that. And let's see. Yeah, this costs too much Robux. You can get the medikit, which is it costs like not that much Robux actually. Like not gonna lie. Which is pretty cool. So I don't know what's actually happening in this game, but you could get like all this. So yeah. So here we go with the so you can get this and so you could buy the medikit. You can get everything like what about this? The auto load tools, pretty cool. But I will get all of the game passes so I can kill everybody in this game. Cause red team is so like stupid right now. Cause they're trying to cause red team is actually kind of weird. Like they kill so much. But that wait, somebody. Oh, is there only one player? Oh, there's actually a lot in that one. All right, so yeah, so we're just gonna go down there since they wanna kill and everything. Well, I got something for you. Alright, so I don't know what is actually happening down there. Like this is crazy right now. Alright. Bro, what is actually happening down there, you guys? Alright. Okay, so what are y'all doing right now? Stop chill out. Okay. Bro, what is y'all doing? Bro, chill out. I ain't do nothing to y'all. Chill out! Stop killing me! Stop following me. Chill out. No. Chill out! I said chill out, you guys. Chill y'all butts up. Come on now. Okay, stop. Okay. Oh my gosh! They're trying to get me, you guys. Oh my gosh! I need to hurry up and kill them. I just gotta use my phone. Alright. Oh, there's like only blue team. Yay! Hopefully there's no like some red teams or something. That would be so weird. But let's see what else do we got. Hopefully like red team's like not back. I'll be like so weird. But yeah. So I wish I killed like bro. Who's that? Dream something BFF1. Bro, you can't kill. I'm in blue team. You in blue team too? Oh, you can't kill me because I'm in blue team. Like you are. Alright, so, what the heck? Alright. So, what the heck is actually happening, you guys? Alright. Let's kill red team because I'm sick of red team right now. Y'all get on my nerves now. Okay. Alright, so, bro, what the heck? What the heck is going? Oh my gosh, there's red team. Oh my gosh, there's red team. Y'all chill out. Nah, chill out. Chill out. Okay. We need to kill this guy. Bro, Bacon Hand, you ain't got nothing. So you can sit your butt down, cause you ain't got nothing. You ain't got nothing either. You ain't got nothing. Bruh! Oh my gosh. I don't even know why she got a freaking smile on her face, cause she looked like she funny. Alright. Bro, stop laying down bombs. Oh my gosh. Alright, I don't know what's actually happening in this game, but this is actually kind of weird. Who is that? Who is this? Bro. Penny something? Alright. Oh, we need to kill some red teams. Oh my gosh. Bro, Bacon Head. There's that Bacon Head dude. Alright, so I need to kill these two, because this is actually like weird. So bro, what the heck? Oh my gosh, we need to kill that red girl. She's like literally in there. Somebody killed her. Alright, good. That's good. Alright. Wait, what is this? Oh, you get in a different place. That's pretty cool. But bro, what is bro, we only have like game time is like this much minutes. Ah! Oh my god. So I don't know why these guys are just like killing for like I don't even know why they're killing. This is so weird. So yeah, I don't even know why they're killing. Oh gosh. Alright. So we got all of these players. I really want to kill red team so bad because they're just like killing blue team right now. Like, what the heck? Alright. Dream is still down there. Someone shoot the person on the tower. Oh! Bro. Slow down. Oh my gosh. Y'all need to chill out. Oh my gosh. These guys. Girl. Chill out. Alright. Y'all need to chill your butts out. Y'all ain't got nothing. So. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, they ain't got nothing to show. Bro, what the heck happened to the game right now? Is it like loading right now? Bro, what happened to the game? Okay, I don't know what actually. Wait, we hear a noise. What the heck? I hear a noise, but I don't hear like the game's not in there. This is so weird. Yeah, I don't know what actually happened in the game, but we're gonna go back in. So yeah, I don't know what happened, but you hear no. Oh, the game is right there. All right. So to the different game. That was so weird. But yeah, I'm trying to kill all of these people. So like, cause I hate blue team right now. I mean, I hate yellow. I hate every team. Like, this is crazy. All right, bro. That means like if we go in the tower, they're just gonna kill you and everything. That's so dumb. So bro, what the heck is actually going on? Is this like a small like little thing? Bro, where's everybody? I think it just freeze right now. Okay, it just freeze. So yeah, it just freeze. I don't know what actually happened. Yeah, it just freeze. So bro, I can't even leave. This is crazy. Alright. So yeah, so that was the game. And I wanna buy this cause I have like only 2 Robux right now. I can't get like the 350 thing. Like I wish these didn't cost too much. Like I'll wait, I wish there was like some invisible thing that you could be invisible so nobody can kill you. And you could just like randomly kill them or something. I wish that was there. I'm gonna create I think we're back in it, you guys. We hear Buster killing right now. Alright, we're back in. This yeah. I launched into so guys, bro, what the heck? Alright. Bro, we hear noise right now. Bro, what the heck? Alright.